The future is calling. Top 5 online business ideas for 2024. Today we're diving into the top 5 online business ideas for 2024 that you absolutely need to know about. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. E-commerce explosion. Your slice of the online shopping pie. First up, we're talking about e-commerce stores. This isn't just about selling generic stuff online, it's about tapping into passionate niche markets. Think custom phone cases for dog lovers or handmade jewelry for astronomy geeks. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up shop online is easier than ever. You don't need to be a tech wizard, just passionate about your product and ready to hustle. Imagine designing your own brand, creating your own website, and watching the orders roll in from all over the world. So why not yours? Get out there, find your niche, and build an e-commerce empire. Become a digital marketing mastermind. Now let's talk about the backbone of the online world, digital marketing. In today's digital age, every business, big or small, needs a strong online presence. As a digital marketing agency owner, you'll be the go-to expert, helping businesses navigate the ever-changing landscape of social media, SEO, and online advertising. This is a high-demand field with massive earning potential. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for someone who can drive traffic to their website, generate leads, and ultimately boost sales. So, if you're tech-savvy, creative, and have a knack for marketing, starting a digital marketing agency could be your ticket to online success. Share your knowledge, change lives, and make bank with online courses. Have you got a passion for something you love? Cooking, photography, coding? Whatever it is, you can turn that knowledge into a thriving online business by creating and selling online courses. The e-learning industry is booming. More and more people are turning to online courses to learn new skills, upgrade their knowledge, and level up their lives. Imagine creating beautifully designed video lessons, interactive quizzes, and downloadable resources, all packaged into a high-quality online course. Platforms like Teachable and Udemy make it super easy to host and sell your courses, reaching a global audience. Successful online course creators are making thousands, even millions of dollars, sharing their knowledge and impacting lives. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner teacher, inspire the world, and build a successful online course business. Unbox the fun and profits with a subscription box service. Let's talk about the gift that keeps on giving. Subscription boxes. These curated boxes of joy are all the rage, and for good reason. They offer a personalized experience catering to specific interests and hobbies. Think about it. A monthly box of gourmet coffee for caffeine addicts, a curated selection of beauty products for makeup lovers, or even a box of geeky gadgets for tech enthusiasts. Setting up a subscription box service is easier than you think. You can partner with suppliers, source unique products, and even create your own branded packaging for that extra special touch. So, if you're passionate about a particular niche and love the idea of surprising and delighting your customers every month, a subscription box service could be your golden ticket. Freelance freedom, your skills, your time, your way. Last but not least, let's talk about the ultimate side hustle, freelancing. Whether you're a wordsmith, a coding ninja, or a design guru, there's a high demand for skilled freelancers in every field imaginable. From writing blog posts and website copy to designing logos and building websites, businesses are constantly on the lookout for talented individuals to help them out on a project basis. Freelancing offers unparalleled flexibility and freedom. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients from all over the globe, making it easier than ever to find work that aligns with your skills and interests. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind and embrace the freedom and flexibility of freelancing, there's never been a better time to get started. Your online empire awaits. Thanks for watching. If you found these business ideas helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Drop a comment below on which idea you're most excited about, and we'll see you in the next video.